How to create DeepSeek account. I sign up DeepSeek AI in this video. I'll show you how to create a DeepSeek AI account quickly and easily. We'll start by opening the DeepSeek application on our iPhone or Android device, and you will get to this login page where we'll have a couple of options at the bottom. Right here, we have the option to log in with your Google account or your Apple account, so you can use one of these to quickly create an account by connecting either a Google account or your Apple ID. But if you don't want to use these, then you can quickly create a DeepSeek account by tapping on this sign up option here. They will then prompt you to either enter a phone number or an email address, depending on the region where you're in. I'll enter my email address and then create a password for the DeepSeek account. You see that I've entered my email and a password for this account, and I'm now going to send a code to my email address or phone number, and the app will send us a verification code in order for them to confirm that it's us. You'll have to verify that you're not a robot by solving some puzzles. So just do that, and then open your email and find the verification code I've entered the code. So all I'll have to do now is to tap on the little sign up option, and that will log us into our DeepSeek account. You can now start typing your prompts and use the app, just like you would use ChatGPT or Gemini.